Vanessa. Hi, it's so nice to see you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's awesome. Vanessa, let's see if you remember the words that we learned last time with the letter A that makes the sound. Let's play tic-tac-toe. Do you want to be X or O?
O.
You are O, I am X. I'm going to start to give you an example. Cat, and I make a sentence. The cat is orange. Now please make an O. And choose a word. Say the word.
Hat.
Hat. Okay. Hat. Good. Hogy mondod azt, hogy van egy kalapom? I have
a hat.
Very good. This is a bat. This is a bat. Okay, now it's your turn. Make a no.
Rat.
A rat. Very good. Rat. Now let's make a sentence.
Nem szeretem az egeret.
Nagyon jó. I don't
like rats.
Very good job. Nagyon jó. Nagyon jó. Well done. Okay. Let's say that again. I
won't have a hat.
Good job. Nice work, Vanessa. Now, please make a no. Okay, now, what word do you choose? Milyen szót választasz most?
Cat.
Cat?
Yes. I like cats. I like cats.
Nagyon jó. Well done. Do you remember what is the word for this picture?
Fat.
Fat. Very good. I have a fat cat. Lefordítod nekem ezt? I have a fat cat.
Van egy kövér macskám.
Igen. Very good. And it's your turn. Okay. What word do you choose?
Bat.
Okay. Now, what can you say about this bat? Na, hogyan használjuk ezt egy mondatban? Lássuk.
The bat is long.
Very good work. Nice. Wow, look. You made 3 in a row. You are the winner. High five. Good job. So you read and then choose the good option, A, B, or C. Okay? Now let's see.
A hat.
Now, which picture is a hat? A, B, or C?
A.
Nice. Well done. Please read. An
apple.
apple. Now, which picture is an apple?
C.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Please read.
A can.
Nice. C makes the k sound, a can. Which picture is a can? A, B, or C?
B.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
A bag.
Mm-hmm.
B.
Nice.
A cat. B.
Very good. There's one more.
One
An, an,
ant.
ant. Which picture is an ant?
B.
Nice. Well done. Let's listen. Vanessa, listen and then repeat the words, okay?
Listening 20. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
1.
Green,
Green,
2,
orange,
orange,
3,
red,
red,
4,
yellow,
yellow,
5,
blue,
blue,
6,
purple,
purple. Okay, now please look at the picture. Let's see what color is number 3.
It's red.
Nice. What color is number 6?
It's purple.
What color is number 4?
It's yellow.
What color is number 2?
Orange.
And what color is number 5?
It's blue.
Please look at the picture. What is green?
Tree.
Make the sentence. The
The tree is green.
The tree is green.
Tree is green.
No, Junyo. Now let's see what is blue.
Boat.
Igen, mondjuk azt. The boat
Is blue.
Very good job.
Water.
Let's make a sentence with water. The
Water. It's blue.
The
water is blue.
What is yellow?
Car.
Now make the sentence. The
yellow. The car is yellow.
is yellow. What is orange? What is orange?
The pumpkin is orange.
Pumpkin, pumpkin,
Pumpkin,
pumpkin, pumpkin.
pumpkin, pumpkin.
Very good job. What is purple? What is purple? Kite.
Kite.
Kite. Now let's make the sentence.
The kite is purple.
The kite is purple.
The kite is purple.
Very good. Nice.
Listening 21. Listen and circle. 1,
Blue.
2,
Green.
What is number 2?
Number 2 is green.
Nice.
3,
Orange.
What is number 3?
Number 3 is orange.
Aha. Very good. Perfect. And the 4th one?
4,
Yellow.
Number 4 is yellow.
Wow. Nagyon ügyes voltál. Let's listen to this one.
Listening 22. Listen and repeat.
What's your favorite color?
What?
What?
Your favorite?
Color.
Mit jelent ez, Vanessa? What's your favorite color?
Like
Cat?
advanced sealant.
Now let's say that again. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Listening 22. Listen and repeat.
What's your favorite color?
Okay.
What's your favorite color?
Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Na most egy picit gyorsabban. Favorite.
Favorite.
Very good. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Nagyon jó volt mostan.
Red.
My favorite color is red.
My favorite color is red.
Oh, Vanessa, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Nice. Favorite, favorite.
Favorite.
Now you ask and I'll answer.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. I love dark green. You have to read the word and choose the picture. Okay?
Yes.
Please read.
Red. A. Blue. B. Green. C. Yellow. A. Black. C.
Br.
Raw.
Brown. Brown.
B.
Brown. Brown.
Brown.
What is which letter is brown?
B. White. A.
Gray.
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 D. Pink. C. Purple. C. Orange. C.
Very good job. Vanessa, nagyon ügyes voltál ma. Köszönöm, hogy jöttél. Well done, well done. And see you next time, okay?
Bye.